Okay, I'm back again. I've got the figure body parts done in the Vallejo primer, the light gray primer, so I can begin the color coats on that. I've got the baby buggy parts done in Krylon Chrome, aerosol spray paint. I've got as much put together as I can. I got the exhaust pipes here in chrome, and the baby carriage and engine parts and the seat and wheels are all done in chrome. And then I'll add the paint to that on top of that. Now I just have to decide what colors I want to use. Got the wheels done in Rust-Oleum 2X black primer, and I'll just hand paint the rims. So begin the painting process next. Okay, well, I'm back again. I thought I'd better do a quick progress report. Been doing some airbrushing and some hand painting. I've got the baby's face hand painted here, just with craft colors. Came out pretty nice, and I sealed it with Mop and Shine and the future over the mouth and eyes, and a pearl white around the edge there for the covering. I've got the lady's head done here, the mustard color on her hair, and the lavender for her legs, airbrushed on, and then this has been sealed with Mop and Shine to give it a flat finish. I had Mop and Shine on her hair, but I went over it again with some Liquitex satin varnish. It was just a little too flat, so I think that's a little better. Just on the previous picture, I have some Stynylrez silver I did on her bow, and I've brushed it on her eyelids, and I've done Aztec metallic pearl purple on the bow, and I'm going to do Aztec pearl blue. It's got a metallic flake in it for her eyelids. And I've done Craft Smart coral. I have a flesh color, but it's a little too pale looking, so I find this coral is a nice skin tone. So I brushed it on her mouth and around her face there and on her feet, and I've airbrushed it on her arms and her torso. So stay tuned for further updates. These things are kind of fun to paint. I really enjoy doing this hand painting, and it's quite a bit of airbrushing and to get all this hair done. It took quite a few coats, and I think and then with brushing on the clear varnish, satin varnish here, it kind of put a bit of a texture to her hair, and like sort of streaked it a bit. So it's coming along well. It's a little bit slower than I thought, but that's okay. I'm enjoying it, and like they say, model building is supposed to be fun, so I'm trying to have fun. See you soon with another update. I'm back again with another quick update. I've got everything painted now. I've got the milk bottle sealed in future, and an orange marker and a yellow marker on the cap there. I just did some emerald green metallic paint for her halter top, and you've seen these before. I've done a satin finish on these. The flat was a little too dull. I've got her face painted up here, metallic purple on her bow, metallic blue on her eyelids, metallic red on her lips, and white pearl on her teeth, and that mustard yellow craft paint for her hair. I've got the carriage parts done in the Testors clears, blue, red, and green. The thinner there. I've done the engine here with the just with a red marker, just the top of the engine block, a little bit that shows. I've done the back of the seat in the clear red over the silver. I'm going to leave the seat part itself silver, and a few coats of that makes it a candy finish. I've done the carriage in started with the blue on the bottom here, and I started to do the green on top, but I'd forgotten to stir it, and it came out gold at first. So I did the top half in gold, and then I thinned it out a little more and stirred it, the green clear there, and stirred it up well, and then it finally came out green. So I did the middle part in the green there and just faded that together. I'm going to leave the inside silver. For now, I might do the back and here a different color because the engine sits here and it's mostly the chrome. So just a matter of putting everything together now. So stay tuned for the final reveal.
Hey everybody, Dave Weiss here for the Glue Bomb Show. Again, remember, have fun. because model building's supposed to be fun.